Hi, my name is Adriana Beckman, and I will be showing you today how to dye noodles, like these. I think this is a really great activity for teachers and for students to use. These could be used as different manipulatives. It allows children to have a visual idea and different objects that they can use to help them with math, to help them with counting, learning new things. First, what you'll need is noodles, any kind. These are just what I prefer because they're easier to grip for the children. They have a neat shape, like so. You'll need some dye. Food coloring works too. I chose blue for today. You will need rubbing alcohol, or any kind of alcohol. It doesn't really matter. You can get it for really cheap. And then you also need a plastic bag and a cooking pan, or something to lay your noodles out on. First, what you do is you'll take some noodles, just about a handful or so. You place them in the bag. Then you want to add your rubbing alcohol. You want to take about a cap full of this. So carefully pour the rubbing alcohol into the cap, and then you want to place this rubbing alcohol inside the bag, like so. Then you want to add your food coloring, or whatever color you want to make your noodles. Today we're going to make blue, so I want to add about, I would say, 6 drops. You can add more. It depends on how bright or how deep you want the color to be. And then and then shove it, close your bag, and you'll mix up the rubbing alcohol and your food coloring, like so. Now this does tend to get messy, so if you do it with your students, what I would do is I would make sure you have a lot of paper towels, a lot of newspaper to put down, something so the dye doesn't get everywhere. Then after you've carefully mixed up your noodles, you want to lay them out on the cooking sheet, or on the pan. You want to make sure they're evenly spaced, so none stick together. Like so. Then you want to wait about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, to let them dry. Finally, after about 10 to 15 minutes of letting them dry, you have your colored noodles. This, like, as you can see, is very, very messy, but it's really fun. It's a really fun hands-on activity for kids to do, and for you to do also, to help your students really see, to learn different colors and such. Coloring noodles. It's fun.